kingdom watched in silence. The team had reached far, but not far enough. The final moments were painful, defensive, fearful, small, and when the loss came, it was heavy. The people expected reflection. What went wrong? What must change? What to learn? But that wasn't the story told. The Donkey King's heralds stepped forward. They spoke of conspiracies, of enemies, of unfairness. They said the kingdom was targeted because it was too great. They recited old victories, counted past trophies, pointed to history like armor. The loss was not analyzed, it was explained away. The match ended that night, but the mentality stayed. The Donkey King believed the kingdom was losing because the world was against it. The truth was simpler. It was losing because it refused to look in the mirror.